Alright, guys.
Snap! Happy birthday to you. Chop, chop, chop. Happy birthday to you. I know what to do. I'm gonna blow it out. Happy birthday to you. Okay, I think it's fingers.
Happy birthday to you.
Make a wish, make a wish. Dragon breath. I don't think you. No, listen. No, that's taking forever. This is not here. I did it. No, but this one is
Good job, guys.
Oh, there's still one!
Let's go fast. Freeze. I need to work it so far. But watch, Sasha. If this one, me and you are sparring, right? Hands up. If this one misses, it's good. This one misses, this one is not gonna miss. Got it? Follow up.
Can you put your like hands here?
No. You gotta keep your hands here. No, you gotta keep your hands here. Okay? Because watch, later we're gonna start boxing. We're also gonna start grabbing. Okay? Watch. Kick, roundhouse. Roundhouse. Here, I'm gonna catch. Watch. Got it? That's what you need your hands for. Stand up. Let me see the score. It's okay. Did you just get it or was it there?
I had it for like years.
Okay, so it's not gonna matter. Okay? That's where we need to keep your hands up at all times. Got it?
Yes, I'm kind. Yeah, it says hands are kind of interfering when I kick.
Okay, look, when somebody kicks me, I'm wearing a chest guard, right? Let's say I'm wearing one, kick me a roundhouse. Kick me. It's not gonna hurt because I'm wearing a chest guard, okay? But if he kicks, kick slow, don't kick fast. And I pull my elbow, who's gonna get hurt? Both of us. Okay? Because if he kicks you here, it's gonna hurt. Okay? Sasha, follow up. Watch. When the first kick don't connect, follow up with the second one. A third one. Did you land the kick? Did you get the point? Okay? Don't stop. And watch. Your hands, don't keep them here. Keep them here. Up here. Okay? You're wearing chest guards. It's okay to eat a kick. Go. Answer back, Sasha, right away. Good. Combinations. Freeze. You okay? Good. See, that was a freeze. That was a good defense kick. Okay? Come to me. Try to kick me. He pushed you with a push kick. See? You lost your balance. You couldn't stand up. Okay? If you see him doing a push kick, watch. I'm gonna kick him. Try to do a push kick. Go. See? Push kick. Step back. Step in. Got it? I want to see more kicks from you, Sasha. Go. Thank you. Good combination. More kicks, Sasha, not just one. Get back, kick. Freeze. Good job. Shake hands. Who's tired? Nobody? Who wants to spar with me? Okay, Sasha, sit there. Don't go too hard.